Go. Let's go get Bryce. Where's he at? You want to go bye-bye, right? You want to go bye-bye? Do you? Let's go get him. Come on. Where's he at? Let's go. He's upstairs. Let's go get him. Come on. We gotta go get him. Let's go. Go get him. He's up here. Come on. Let's go get him. Where's he at? Where's he at? He must be up here. Let's go. You ready, Bryce?
Yes, sir.
We'll go get him. Yeah. Because you want to go bye-bye, right? Oh, yeah, you want to go bye-bye, don't you? You go on in the car? Yeah? You want to take him to school? Okay. All right, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on down here. Come on. Let's go. We're ready. Come on. We gotta go this way, though. This way. Hey. This way. Ready? Go. Don't you worry. We're not gonna leave you.